radiologic science program here at Morehead is JRCERT accredited, which means that graduates to work in the state of Kentucky must graduate from an accredited program. It is programmatic accreditation. We have a 97% ARRT National Certification Board passage rate on first-time attempts. We have a 100% job placement rate. And we also have a program completion rate right now of 92% for this current year. So our program speaks volumes in its own right, in its own accomplishments.
I feel like I'm 10 steps ahead of some of my, like other people that have gotten to other schools, like the equipment that we have in these rooms, the hands-on with everything, the professors really wanting you to strive to be the best and, always be up here instead of just mediocre. That's really contributed to my success.
I visited here as a junior in high school, and so when I saw the equipment, the lab, and how advanced this program was, my first thought was just utter shock. I was like, this little town has this amazing program, and I get to hopefully apply. And then here I am, actually experiencing it firsthand. So,
the experiences, the professors, I've never felt more at home with the program than I do with this one. The relationship that you build with, your classmates, your professors, there's nothing like that out there besides here.
At Morehead State University, our Diagnostic Medical Sonography program is a very important branch of imaging sciences. We are a 13-month program, and we prepare our students to take the abdomen, OBGYN, and physics boards. We have a 100% passage rate on all of our boards, 100% job placement, and we are a KHEP accredited program. Every semester we have recruiters coming from all different facilities trying to persuade our students to work for them because Morehead is such a well-known program.
Hands-on experience is super important here, and it helps a lot. I personally have always wanted to go into sonography and ultrasound. I've always wanted to do the pregnancy scans, and so when I came to Morehead, this was kind of the one and only place that I could think of to even come.
I'm an out-of-state student, and Morehead's program brought me here because of their reputation. This program is really special because you get to know everyone so well. The professors are great. They prepared me. I've already passed my physics boards. I'm really glad I came here to Morehead. I would definitely do it again. I've had such good experiences, and I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Our sonography program is the only baccalaureate program in Kentucky. We have 25 clinical sites in Kentucky. We also have clinical sites in West Virginia, Ohio, and Indiana for students to choose from for their clinical placement.
You can tell the difference between the other students that come from other schools. You can see that we are more prepared coming from Morehead State.
I'm very proud of the program. We accept generally 40 to 50 students. It is a nationwide healthcare shortage right now, so job market is very abundant as far as gaining employment. For anyone that may be interested in the imaging sciences programs here at Morehead State University, of course I invite anyone to come in and set up an appointment. We will gladly go over the curriculum, the admission requirements, and give a tour of the facilities and start building that relationship. And also, it helps to know that there are other healthcare professions other than being a physician, being a nurse, the obvious too. There is so much potential in healthcare and other avenues of, and I'm very honored that Morehead State University does bring another aspect of healthcare in the educational environment.